Hey, howdy folks, Worm here. I am the worst of all rock and metal. I have purchased from Spectre Media Group the Extinction Level Event drum kit. So let's do a little product review. We'll start playing with it. I bought it yesterday, downloaded it, installed it. It's ready to rock and roll. What I did is I took my little theme song here. I took my drums. I copied them from my Easy Drummer to the Contact kit. The Contact kit, this is what it looks like here. Let's see if I do that. I got it set up with the Glenn Fricker metal setting. So, hey, it's not doing anything. What did I do wrong? Ah, it's on mute. That's why. Here we go. We got a kick, snare, tom 1, tom 2. And we got a floor tom. And we have, a variety of cymbals floating around. You can actually change the drums to different drums. I played with it yesterday. There's a spot where you can go in and change all these bleeding and all these other stuff. But I figure that these people know more about getting a better sound than I do. So I'm going to leave it as is. So, like I said, this is my little theme song here. I copy and pasted my drums for my Easy Drummer track. I'm going to mute the Contact kit, which is the Extinction Level Event kit, and we'll play through with the original drums real quick. This is a quick little thing. It's not a very long song, and we'll start it out. Alright, so cool. That is the Easy Drummer. So now we'll swap them out for the Extinction Level Event Glenn Fricker metal production. And actually, it comes through really, really well. So check it out. I actually like to blend the two together. So you have the Glenn's metal production. We have the Easy Drummer. I use the vintage kit with the purple overdrive setting because I like the sound of vintage drums versus the sound of new and improved clicky world drums. So if you put them together, I think it sounds really cool. You know what the best part is? You got two drums, it's louder. I can make my guitars louder because guitars being loud is the best because I play guitar. So that is my little theme song to the little worm show I got working here. I've got... All right, folks, I am back. Hooray. I finished the entire video and forgot that when I went from one of my tabs to another, I didn't have my little voiceover track here going. So it did not record. It's a bunch of me blank air while running through other stuff. So this is another one of my songs I got going. This is a full song. It's got all sorts of stuff going on. We have a ton of vocals come down. We got some guitars. We have rights. We have lefts. We got solos out in the middle here somewhere. Where are they? There they are. We got some keys. I actually have a keyboard solo. Very cool. Or not so cool if you don't like keyboards. I got two basses. And we have our Easy Drummer track. And we have our Contact Extinction Level Event track. So I'm going to mute this guy. And we'll go here and we'll start the song up. Give him a little stoppy stop. We'll swap drums, go to beginning. I think the these contact kit, the extinction level event kit comes through really, really well. Little clicking, but playing it like clicking now, I think not. Once again, putting both kits together, they are great. I did run into some trouble to stop this guy. So these two things I did here were from the Easy Drummer packs. These over here from another drum pack, Ugratone metal drums. I've got a bunch of their MIDI packs. You can't have too many drums. Unfortunately, the contact kit does doesn't recognize MIDI files for some reason. Yeah, my Easy Drummer. This contact kit does not recognize these files, which kind of stinks. It's kind of weird. If I open up the MIDI file here, and it brings up your piano keyboard, it does. C2, you know, the snare. We've got a plethora of different cymbals and whatnot. Doesn't recognize that guy, whatever he is, and it doesn't know this one at all. That's a tom, but it does recognize the kick and the snare via the MIDI keyboard, but for some reason it doesn't recognize the song. So that's the only ding I got so far. Pretty big ding. I have my library, but I'm sure someone's going to figure out why and be able to fix it. Hopefully it's just a setting somewhere inside the extinction level event kit. The weird part is, let's go back to the Worm song here. All right, still have my voiceover going here. These are also from the, I believe these are from the Ugratone library. And they work just fine. So maybe some work, some don't. I have to play around with this. But over everything all put together. The extinction level kit has some great drum sounds. They cut through the mix really, really well. The only problem I'm having is with some of my drum MIDI files. My MIDI packs aren't working. I'm sure it's going to get figured out. Hopefully it does anyway. But I am the Worm. I am the worst of all rock and metal. This has been a little quick run through the Extinction Level Event drum kit from Spectre Media Group. And have a grand day. Thank you.